Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are comparing two popular live TV streaming services, YouTube TV and Sling TV. So let's just break down their key features to help you decide which one suits your needs the best. So YouTube TV offers over 100 live channels including major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC and Fox. This extensive lineup covers a wide range of interests from sports and news to entertainment and lifestyle channels, whereas Sling TV provides a more customizable experience with two primary packages, Sling Orange and Sling Blue. Each offers a different set of channels and you can combine them for a broader selection. However, Sling's total channel count is lower and access to local channels may be limited depending on your area. Now let's talk about the second thing, that is pricing. So YouTube TV is priced at $83 per month, while it's on the higher end, and the service includes a comprehensive channel lineup and features like unlimited cloud DVR storage. Sling TV is more budget friendly with the plans starting at $46 per month, and the lower price reflects the more streamlined channel offering. Keep in mind that additional channel packages and features can increase the cost. Now let's just understand the DVR and streaming features of both of these. So YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing you to record as many shows and movies as you like without worrying about space. Sling TV provides 50 hours of cloud DVR storage with an option to upgrade to 200 hours of an additional fees. The number of simultaneous streams varies. With Sling Orange, it allows one stream at a time, whereas with Sling Blue, you get 3, and the combined orange plus blue package offers up to 4 streams. Now let's talk about the device compatibility. So both the services are compatible with a wide range of devices including the smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku and Amazon TV, gaming consoles and mobile devices. Now in a nutshell, or in the conclusion, I can say that if you are seeking a comprehensive channel lineup with robust features and don't mind the higher price, YouTube TV might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you are looking for a more affordable, customizable option and are willing to navigate some limitations, Sling TV could be the way to go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.